Welcome to a day in the life of a Forex trader, Las Vegas. All right, you guys, so we got our room on the top floor penthouse. Can't go any higher. Yeah, this shit's gonna be dope. Excited, babe?
Yeah.
Hi, I'm here for your dick appointment. Yes, sir. We just made it into the hotel. We're on the top floor of the penthouse. I'm about to show you guys a quick room tour. We got right here the hot tub. Don't fall now. Yes, sir. So we're gonna make a couple more babies tonight. We got a cool little, cool little thing. Wash your hands. About to blow this shit up. We got the closet, but that ain't gonna be using the closet. I'm gonna use that mirror because I'm gonna be right there, fucking shit up. Flat screen, everything you need. Stove, refrigerator. If you ever been to Vegas, you know that shit don't come in no hotels. Cool little living room. And then we got a balcony, bro. And I didn't know that we were this high because I'm scared of heights, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Bro, look how high we are. Like, this is crazy right here. We're literally taller than the other hotels. I'm scared to go out. Why are you trying to expose me, bro? I'm scared of heights for real. My plan was to come out here in the morning, you feel me, do some trading, act like I'm Doyle Exchange for a little bit, but I don't think I'm gonna do that with this because I'm scared. I ain't gonna lie. So we just pulled up right now, waiting for our food. She already got a couple of those, but I needed some more because that shit was banging. But I'm just gonna be here and then see what we get into. You liking it, Pippa? You like it, Mama?
Baby likes the white rice. This is one step closer to her eating sushi.
Yeah. Alright, so we're about to head to this MGM hotel right here, get some drinks, maybe do some shopping. Today was like a trash trading day. Took her out, but that's what comes with it. About to have some fun with that. This is my girl's drink. I don't even drink.
Don't lie.
We're about to get in the hot tub. Don't turn up. I can't show you guys that. Alright guys, so this is day 2. We're at the Lion Ranch Habitat. We're about to feed giraffes. About to do all types of stuff.
That's you.
Alright, so we just fed the giraffes. That shit was crazy.
He's so tall.
Now we're about to go feed the lions.
He's a very bossy guy.
Oh, I just looked in the mirror. Oh! Okay. Shit. Hold on. Yes. I need to come back. Don't show my hand, bro. Alright, gang. So last night we got turned up. But that's it for this video. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.